WebStorm Review 2025. Is it the best IDE for JavaScript developers? For JavaScript developers in 2025, choosing the right IDE can boost productivity. But is WebStorm the best choice? WebStorm offers intelligent code completion, debugging tools, and built-in version control. Most people get this wrong. They assume free editors like Versus Code are enough, but WebStorm provides advanced refactoring, error detection, and support for modern frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue out of the box. You won't believe what happens next. Its live editing and integrated testing tools save hours of debugging time. The IDE also supports TypeScript, Node.js, and multiple front-end technologies, making it versatile for full-stack development. Customizable keymaps, themes, and plugins allow developers to tailor the environment to their workflow. Pricing is subscription-based, but many developers find the time saved and productivity gains justify the cost. Free trials are available for testing features before committing. So, is WebStorm the best IDE for JavaScript? For professional developers seeking advanced features, deep integrations, and faster debugging, it's hard to beat. For beginners or those on a budget, lightweight editors may still work. The surprising truth is that an IDE isn't just a text editor, it's a productivity tool that can dramatically reduce errors, speed up development, and make coding more enjoyable.